With 29 technology patents to its name, India's leading electric vehicle manufacturer embarked on a journey to unlock real-time insights into battery health and driving range, accelerating the future of intelligent mobility. Rapyder bridged the gap, delivering tangible business value with predictive intelligence. We drastically increased vehicle uptime, reduced maintenance cost, and streamlined fleet performance.
So this was done as part of the SOH NOCC calculation for EV vehicles. For the code deployment part, we used code build and code commit. As far as the training data was concerned, it is stored in S3 in a secure fashion. This whole operation was done as part of the maintenance and management activity for the EV vehicles. And we used AWS SageMaker for our model deployment, model development, and everything that is related to the ML activities.
Increased vehicle uptime by up to 20%, reduced maintenance costs by 15%, enhanced driver experience by 25%, improved resale value by up to 10%, improved safety and reliability, built brand trust and market leadership. Rapyder integrated predictive intelligence to GenDrive and pulsed the EV-olution,